Imagine the adrenaline rush as you manage your own football team, making strategic decisions that could lead to victory or defeat. Welcome to the exhilarating world of fantasy football, where you are the virtual manager, holding the reins of your team's destiny. You're in the driver's seat, navigating through the highs and lows of the season, making pivotal choices that could change the tide of the game. In the world of fantasy football, every decision counts, and every game is a new opportunity for glory. The journey in fantasy football begins with the draft, a strategic battlefield where you build your team. This isn't just about selecting players, it's about crafting a winning team. The draft is a test of your knowledge of the game, your ability to predict performance, and your strategic acumen. You're not just picking names, you're meticulously assembling a team that will stand the test of a grueling season. As the season progresses, each week becomes a new battlefield. You pit your squad against others, with every pass, every touchdown, every field goal in the real world translating into points in your virtual matchup. The tension builds with each game. The anticipation is palpable as you watch the performances of your chosen gladiators unfold. And then, there's the possibility of the championship, the culmination of your strategic planning, your carefully considered decisions, your season-long commitment. From the draft to the championship, every step in fantasy football is a thrilling journey of strategy, anticipation, and excitement. So, what makes fantasy football so appealing? Well, it's a tantalizing cocktail of strategy and luck. It's a chess match where your pieces are real-world athletes. It's a competition that tests your knowledge of the sport, your decision-making, and your foresight. But beyond the thrill of the game, it's the camaraderie, the shared passion, the heated debates, and the glory of victory that truly make it special. Fantasy football is more than a game. It's a test of strategy, a platform for competition, and a community of passionate sports enthusiasts. Join the game and experience the thrill of virtual football management.